kilawin, dilis, lemon, sili, tomato, onion, garlic, and ginger, luya. Yan. So ito yung ating kikilawin. Let's go. So ganito paghihiwa nito. Fresh dilis. Yan. Ano natin ang lemon, chili, and ginger, and this. So we mix all. Yeah. Okay. And yes, this is it. And we add, and also we put the pepper. Yeah. And lastly is the salt. So depend on your taste, but put a little, and then later you can taste what salt you want. This kinilaw, look at that, so delicious. So ito na nga pre, yung ating special kinilaw na dilis. So tikman na natin. Panalo. Burn na lang ang kulang.